If you are looking for the best electric burner for camping, we have listed these top 5 best electric burners for camping to help you choose the perfect one. Links to the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. Number 1. Most popular. Elite Gourmet EDB 302BF Countertop Double Burner. The Elite Gourmet Electric Double Buffet Burner makes cooking quick, easy, and consistent. This portable electric hot plate offers reliable heating and takes up minimal cooking space with one 6.5-inch and one 6-inch cast iron flat cooking plates. It has a high power setting, perfect for cooking or reheating meals for a large group. These non-stick ceramic hot plates will ensure even cooking and make cleaning up a breeze. It's great to use it when you're having company and need to warm the kitchen for more than just the oven. When we think about good kitchen gadgets, a good knife is at the top of our list. This versatile, durable knife will last you a lifetime. Number 2. IMUSA USA GAU 80305 Electric Single Burner. The best way to make your camping experience better is to buy a single burner stove which can provide up to 1100 watts of heat power. This stove is capable of providing that amount of heat power without burning anything. The stove has a built-in regulator which makes it very easy to use and operate the stove. This product is very lightweight and it comes with an integrated firebox which increases its portability. It has a safety feature that prevents the gas flame from getting out of control. This stove will not be damaged if you forget to turn it off. This stove will be able to keep your food warm for hours even after you have turned it off. Number 3. Cuisinart CB30 Pone Cast Iron Single Burner. Cuisinart's portable burner is simple to operate, yet works well for a range of uses from family meals to a buffet spread. Its single knob turns on and controls the unit via 6 temperature settings. Like a waffle maker, lights tell you when the burner is on and ready to use. Our reviewer found great success with everything from frying eggs and browning chicken to slow, controlled simmering in her in-home test. The heavy cast iron cooking surface holds heat very effectively and evenly, but our tester still found it quick to preheat. She also was able to use the hot burner to keep food warm after it was turned off, just like on a full-size range. Number 4. Oven Electric Single Infrared Burner. This infrared burner uses radiant coils to heat food quickly and efficiently. Unlike an induction burner, which can use aluminum, glass, ceramic, and other non-magnetic pans, infrared works with any material you can put on a standard stovetop. For best results, Oven recommends using pans with a flat bottom, close to the 7.5-inch diameter of the burner. The device's flat glass surface holds all the heat and, as a bonus, simply wipes clean. The 1000-watt burner offers 6 temperature settings. Even at the highest one, the infrared technology focuses the heat to the cooking surface, which helps keep the base and housing cooler. With this style of burner, the heating element cycles on and off during use. Number 5. Duxtop 1800W Portable Countertop Burner. The stove comes with a built-in grill on top and a burner that goes below, which makes it perfect for camping trips or picnics. This is also great for those who love cooking outdoors because it can be used as a barbecue grill for your backyard. 2. The grill can be adjusted to 2 different heat levels. It has an induction cooktop surface, which means it works with the gas flame instead of electricity, so you don't have to worry about getting the outlet working when you're camping or hiking. This countertop stove has a total output of 1800 watts and can reach temperatures of up to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit. You can cook at this level for about 10 minutes, so it will not be able to get hot enough to burn your food, but it can still make your food taste great.